This video is for everyone that would like to detox their face. It's especially or particularly for the ladies that wear makeup. That's mascara, foundation, rouge, any kind of powder or what have you that you might be putting on your face or applying. This mask is for you. Now, there are a couple things that you can use. I'm going to say this even though I don't have it in front of me. I'm sure you know what this looks like. You can make a paste out of plain household baking soda. You can get yourself a dish. It doesn't matter, something about this size. And you put just enough baking soda inside the dish along with some water. Take your 2 fingers, stir it around until it becomes pasty. Real simple. Apply it around the shiny parts of your face, on your nose, your forehead, all of the places that you apply your makeup, or all of the places on your face that you're trying to detox. That would be your cheeks as well, and here, and over on the side of your face, and even under your neck. And it's going to dry, so put it on, keep it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then rinse it off with warm water and pat your face dry with a clean white washcloth. White. Don't ever rub your face to dry it, because you're putting other things back into your pores. Okay? Now, the other thing is bentonite clay. This is the main one. Sort of a grayish colored powder clay. You do the same thing with the bentonite clay. Hold on. I'm going to amuse you. Okay, I'm back. I have a spoon. I have this dish. And I have the bentonite clay. I'm going to take a heaping tablespoon of clay. I'm going to dump it in this little container here. And I have some warm water. Pour a little bit in here. I'm going to take my fingers and I'm going to mix it up until it becomes pasty. Okay, here we go. With just my fingers. You can use a spoon if you desire. Okay. Starting to feel like wet clay, and even smell like it a little bit. A little bit more water. So now, I don't think you can see that. Well, maybe you can. This is what the clay looks like. So, you're going to take this clay, apply it to your face in those areas that I pointed out earlier, on the forehead, on the cheeks. Don't forget the shiny parts of the face, and since I have the shirt on, I won't go onto my neck, but you know that you can do that without the shirt on. Now, I'm sure that you get the point. You want to keep this on for approximately 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes, I said, with the baking soda, but I would say about 15 minutes, 20 if you want to. And what's going to happen is it's going to start to dry up, and it's going to pull your skin. And so you do the same thing with this mixture that you did with the baking soda. You're going to get you some warm water, get over the sink, and wipe it off with some warm water until it's gone. And you're going to get your white face towel or towel, and you're going to blot your face dry. And that will take all of those chemicals that you have on your face, to include blackheads. It's going to help pull it to the surface. and eradicate many of them. And it's going to take all of that makeup and all of those compounds, ladies, that you put on your face. It's going to take all of that residue off of your skin on your face after you've taken your makeup off initially. Okay, so you can use this as a follow-up. When you rinse or clean your makeup off of your face, use this compound, bentonite clay or baking soda, or even you can use one and then the other. It's your choice. It's your prerogative. That was it, and that was all. Excuse my makeup here, or my mask. This is Brother Teacher, and you know what I'm going to say. Yahweh love you, and I love you. And good makeup cleaning after. So long.